think we're raising each other to be independent, men and women, instead of being interdependent. Like,
Interdependent.
What percentage of the blame do men take for producing
I don't think men
women?
take any of the blame. And that's part of the problem. I don't think that they see that they had a part to play in it.
It depends on who you're talking to. You know, some of them don't care. Some of them just don't care. They're just like, that wasn't me. I wasn't born until 1993. So what that got to do with me? Even if it's not necessarily you, even if you're totally different, there has to be a level of understanding.
Right.
And that's pretty much. But then again, Kevin Samuels, this world doesn't know you understanding. I mean, it's one of those things where, like, the harsh reality of the world is you get out of it what you put into it. So if you putting in negative energy and you snapping your neck and you giving off what we consider masculine energy now, because that's what it's called, don't be surprised when people be like, you know what? I don't really want to be around you. Or I don't want to be around you in this way. Mm-hmm. You attract what you put out at the end of the day.
True.
So there's that.